Hey everybody, Tanya from SvG back, and today I'm going to walk you through a custom made to order digital download on Etsy. So if this is your first time here, go ahead and click on the like and subscribe below, as that does keep me motivated to continue making these videos so that way you can grow your business and change your life. I had a customer message me today asking for a custom digital file, and so I thought this would be a great opportunity to walk you through the process. So I'm going to set up the made to order digital file, have her purchase that, and then go ahead and get the listing set up for her so y'all can see how that process works. Okay, so I'm gonna head over to my computer screen and we will get started. Okay, so I'm on my dashboard. I'm going to go to listings. I'm going to click on new listing. I don't believe I have a photo for this one. And I'm just going to click on made to order here. If I could type. Digital. We're going to go ahead and let this be a manual renewal. We have one in stock. I'm going to be charging $6 for this. And as you can see here, it says you selected made to order. You'll create the files after purchase, then upload them to complete the order, okay? So I don't know if it's gonna let me upload without a picture. So let me just pause it and I'll get something put together. Okay, so I will add this photo in for a custom order. And I'm going to go ahead and click on publish. What am I missing? Oh, my caps lock is on. All right, well, that should fix that. 20 cents for each new listing, blah, 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 blah. Okay. What? What am I missing here? Oh. Okay, so I have this custom order set up. I'm going to go ahead and view this on Etsy. And I'm going to go ahead and send this over to her. Once you purchase, I can get your file sent right over. Okay, so that's all set. Now if I go to orders and shipping, once she purchases that, I will be able to see this in the new. So I'm going to go ahead and pause it and we will come back once she has done that. Okay, so now you can see here that she has gone ahead and purchased. I'm just going to let her know. Perfect. Give me a few moments. Get everything situated. And we'll go over to listings. I mean, not listings. I'm sorry. Orders and shipping. So you can see that I have this here and I can click on it. And I can go to more actions to refund if I want to cancel it. And basically now I can click on complete order. And here you can see that you've made it easier to add a note if you would like to do that. You can see that it's a digital delivery. Each file is 80 megabytes. So this does confirm the fact that the custom files allow you to upload 5 80 megabyte files per upload, which is insane. So I'm going to go ahead and click on upload file. And you can see that I have the 6 years bundle right here. I can add up to 4 more files if I'd like. And then I can go ahead and click on complete order. Now that the order is completed, you will see that it has moved to my completed orders. And you should have everything you need. If you need anything else, please let me know. Okay. And that's as easy as 1, 2, 3 for that. So as you can see, the process is very simple. You create the listing, you make sure you check on made to order. The person will go ahead and make the purchase. Once they make the purchase, it will show up in your orders as new, and then you can go in and complete it by uploading the files. So pretty simple process. Hopefully you guys got something out of this by seeing this in live action. And if you need anything, don't hesitate to reach out. And as always, if you got something out of this video, please go ahead and click on like and subscribe below, as well as that thumbs up, as that does keep me motivated to continue making these videos so that way you can grow your business and change your life. If you need anything else, don't hesitate to reach out. ShootingStarSVG, signing out.